Hello, my dear friends. Here I am, Reshma, welcoming all of you with a big heart filled with loads and loads of love. And today I felt, I'll be sharing a little glimpse of my beautiful garden. I live a very basic and simple life. All of you know, even though there is a glamorous side which people see, but basically I'm a very, very simple and down-to-earth person who loves the soil. I'm very fond of soil actually, and I can just put on soil on my hand because I come from here and I go there only. So yeah, and today I felt we have actually two gardens, one in the front yard which is all flowers and other plants, and at the backyard this is more of vegetable garden and some flowers obviously. And as all of you know also me very well, I am not fond of foreign things. I'm a very desi person, and even though I have spent a lot of my years in abroad, but still my desipan, my Indianness is in my heart and in my soul. So that is the reason I always love desi flowers. Yeah, since the childhood, even when I was in UK for so many years, I always tried to find my desipan and desiness. And so here also we have, hibiscus. See, this is something, even though I personally is very fond of red hibiscus because I do puja, and red hibiscus is very, very important for Ma Kali's worship. And yes, I am a devout follower of Ma Kali. And so red hibiscus we have plenty in the front garden. But today for my puja, I picked all the hibiscus. I'll show my altar, there the red hibiscus are. And my Mali Dada said ki, ma'am, ये भी red hibiscus होगा. But once it bloomed, I see it is orange. ये आ रही है orange? It is orange, but no worries, it's looking so beautiful. And as I said, now I love traditional flowers. So see, these are called, in Bengali we call them kolabutti. And these trees, actually these plants, they do not require any care, anything, nothing. In Bengal, actually, beside the drains, beside the ponds, wherever they just, grow like that. No one even cares for. And this is the beauty of it, that beauty can bloom anywhere. Like lotus, it comes in the dirty pond, yet it maintains its sanctity. And so as these kolabuttis also. And here it is not so easy actually finding this. So I had been telling Mali Dada for so many days and months, ki Dada, aap ye lal wala leke aao. I'm very fond of this. And finally, for a few years before, उन्होंने ये लाल वाला लेके आया था. तब they were all small, and now see, they are all grown up and they are full-fledged red things. You can see them, so beautiful. They don't need any care, nothing. Even though they don't need fertilizers, manures, anything. और ये yellow हुआ है, even though Mali Dada was set to bring red, but एक दो हो जाती है, कोई बात नहीं. Every flower do have its own beauty. And see now, all the new plants are all coming. They look so beautiful. So today I thought, sharing my flowers, and I would show another flower plant. Abhi, probably this is not the season. I guess thoda sa winter hoga to tab hoga. This plant, this is passion flower. And in one of my Instagram reel or post once I have shared, इसमें हुआ था that time. अभी है नहीं, but next time once the passion flowers come, then I'll show. This full thing is a passion flower plant. And यहाँ पे शायद there are two plants over here. And please come with me, मैं और भी flowers दिखाऊंगी. Yes. This is called Oporagita. Now again, see, the flowers are not there. Once summer settles more, then the flowers come. They become blue and white. And I would show something. These are the seeds. They are the seeds of this plant, So from these seeds, we put those seeds again, and then again the blue and the white will come up. Once they flower, I'm definitely going to share. And another thing I would share with all of you, these are marigold, all of you know. But as I said, I'm a very desi person. I love and I'm fond of desi things. So this marigolds, they are desi marigolds. Desi means Bengal marigold. See, they are not like generally you see now all the mota sa thick marigold. But these are pure Bengali desi marigold, where they just comes like this. And yeah, I'm so fond of these flowers. See, so beautiful. Abhi to season is almost done, marigolds. So only this little is there. So I just felt that before the season goes, I must share this few. So yeah, and here also see, these are again all the Kolabotis. They are very, very typical flowers from Bengal, as I have shared over there. Yahan pe bhi the flower used to come. Now the flowers are gone. And see one important thing, see this leaf. There are certain Kolabotis whose leaves are so beautiful, see. Even without flower also, these leaves, see, this is why, I mean, God's creation is way above than anything. See, so beautiful, it is as if, it is painted, see. They looks as if some painter, Da Vinci or Picasso, and there's painting. It's so beautiful. And these are also a flower tree. Now they are not having flower. Once they come, I'll do another video later on. Here, people generally consider it as a jungly plant. They have purple flowers. Again, these flowers do not require any care, anything, nothing at all. But beautiful, beautiful purple flowers come. Once they come, I'll definitely share. And there is another flower, but it is a vegetable flower, but because it is a flower, so I'll show it to you. See these flowers? Himanshu, focus on them. मैं उधर जाके दिखाऊं किसी एक को? Could you guess what flowers are this? You know Himanshu, ये कौन सा flower है? ये flower तो है, but not quote unquote flower. This is a vegetable flower. This is the flower of carrot. गाजर जो हम खाते हैं, this is the flower of carrot. Now I would try. This time we haven't taken a single gajar out क्योंकि माली दादा said कि गाजर अभी बड़ा होगा. So once we took out one, वो बहुत छोटा था. Now I will try to get one gajar and show it to you. एक छोटा सा देखती हूँ अगर, because they are very hard. Yes. इसमें yeah, see. Could you see, my dear friends? That's why Mali Dada said कि अभी आप मत उठाना, ये छोटा छोटा है. But I wanted to share. You know that is who I am. I always share. So I wanted to share this with all of you. First hand gajar and the gajar flower from our garden. You can't sniff, but I can smell. It's fresh. It's fresh. If I can, you could have realized and felt. It's so fresh, you do not get in a market or anywhere. So yeah, this is our gajar flower. Gajar plant, I'll take this and see these are the flowers. So yeah, this is the flower thing. Then now let me focus a little bit on our veggie patch, okay? Now the thing is, summer vegetables are almost all are gone. Not summer, sorry, winter vegetables. This gajar are the last thing. Simran, ये देखो गाजर है यहाँ पे. Carrot. So this winter vegetables are almost gone. अभी only this carrots are remaining क्योंकि you can see ना अभी तक बड़ा नहीं हुआ है. That is why he said कि ये बाद में काटेंगे. And these are mint. Mint, people, you know, they use in so many things, especially the cocktails and mocktails. So these are mint. They are small, small. And this time we are growing tomato. So you can see these are the tomato plants. Abhi bada hoga, once they bloom, once they come to a fruition, I'm definitely going to share. And I'm very fond of pumpkin. So see, this is a pumpkin plant. And one thing, what you know, my friends, I love is, see, all the leaves are so different from each other. You look into every plant, every leaf is distinct from the another. Once again, you know, this brings up my trust and faith in God, that He is so omnipotent, He is so caring, He is so giving, He creates everything so beautifully and so uniquely, which we human, we can't even think and fathom also. And yeah, and see this plant, this is not a vegetable plant, this is what plant? Flower plant only, I would say. So my Mali Dada, one day he brought this one and he showed it to me. I said कि दादा ये लगा दो आप. See, even these plants are, can you focus, Himanshu? See, the leaves are red, the flowers are, these flowers to me looks like butterflies. So beautiful, so beautiful. And this plant you can see, this is a flower plant. It flowers yellow, yellow. Now there's no flower once the season comes. This is a smaller version. And the bigger version of this plant is this. ये फूलों से भर जाते हैं. हिमांशु एक दो शायद होगा ऊपर. Can you focus there? ऊपर ऊपर वो yellow. See, that is, ये plant जो है एकदम भर जाते हैं. Yellow flowers. नीचे नीचे है. Focus here also. Let me show my friends. See my friends. इसमें थोड़ा सा रख देती हूँ. See all these flowers. God's creation is, you know, the more you love it, the more He starts showing you. See how beautiful they are. This is why I always feel there's nothing else other than God. He is the only Savior. And yeah, now let me take you this side. Here you can see more tomato patches. They will come up with tomato. And I know you will say tomato to is the winter fruit or winter veggie, however you say. But yeah, now to you get throughout the year. तो हमारे यहाँ तो अभी बनाया है. And here there's not a single dhania now. Dada already had taken. These patches were full of corianders. Dhania. We ate, we given to people. Now it's done. Now this is chili. I love chilies. Not that mota wala जिसमें मतलब hot नहीं होता. I don't like that. I love hot chilies. So this is chilies. I always tell माली दादा कि आप वो वाला लेके आओ जो तीखा होगा, तीखा होगा. Every time he brings वो मोटा मोटा सा जिसमें तीखा होता ही नहीं. And see, all these are chilies. See chilies. Now I'll show you chili flower. I just love my plants. मुझे थोड़ा सा बैठना होगा. Yes. हिमांशु ये आ रही है? हाँ, थोड़ा सा जाएगा. थोड़ा? तो आप अंदर आके इसमें फोकस करो ताकि दिखे. See, these are the chili flowers. चिली तो अभी हाँ है. Yeah, see? दिख रहा है? ये these chilies will grow more. You can see flowers अभी भी है सामने. So it will grow more. See? And these are still flowers. Once they become more thick and those things, I'll definitely. It's a task getting up. Oh, yes. Now, lemon. You say now when people give you lemon, you make lemonade out of it. We have loads of lemons. Last time you remember I had shown in my Insta. So this plant will bloom fully loaded with lemon. इतने होते हैं, so much. In spite of giving, it's not finished. And yeah, these are brinjals. These are all new brinjals. Last day I have seen some flowers. अभी दिख, yeah, यहाँ पे है. But the thing is, वो light में आ रही है, क्योंकि अभी तो अंधेरा सा हो रहा है. See here, वहाँ से दिखेगा नहीं हिमांशु, ये जो फ्लावर है दिख रहा है. This is a brinjal flower. The plant is so small, but अभी से flower आ गई है सारे में. All the plants I can see, they all came up with the flowers. See? And there were other big brinjal plants जो हम खा लिए हैं. Now they are gone. And this is again another pumpkin patch. You can see so many pumpkin plants here. Once they grow a little bit more, we are going to take them and then we are going to, spread in different places. And pumpkin tastes so yummy, as well as generally here the people do not know, but in Bengal, we love eating the stalks and the leaves of the pumpkin. That's so delicious. So yeah, and yeah, this, इसका English क्या है मैं भूल गई हूँ. पालक का English क्या होती है? Spinach. Yeah. So, and these are spinach. The season is gone now. Now this is the last thing we are having. season is gone. So after some time, I just thought before, all these are being taken off. And that spinach tree, could you see? It's so huge, so big. There were more. We had actually given to people. We also ate these spinaches. See, it became so heavy, it cannot even stand on its own. Idhar dikhao Himanshu. We were having this big spinaches, and they became so heavy. And see, we have even cat guests also. There's cat guest also. We have all the guests. We have cow, we have cats, we have dogs, we have birds. That's what life is about, embracing whatever the beautiful God's creatures are there around us. So, and this is Tulsi. And once the new patches with new vegetables comes up, I'm definitely going to share more. Last but not the least, I'll share another beautiful flower outside. Just Himanshu, aapke piche hi hai. Yes, here, see? These are called bael. No, not this one. This is called bael. Bael and jui. Jui means jasmine. They are another two of my favorite flowers, white flowers. And the thing is, they are so fragrant. So fragrant. Now, here we are having, this is the bael patch. Bael, Gandharaj. This is called Gandharaj. Now there's no leaf. Once the summer settles more, these Gandharaj plants will have more leaves and flowers. Then I'm definitely going to share those. And bael, as you can see, it will all be fully loaded with flowers. And jasmine I have in the front part of our garden. And here I can see a beautiful flower. I really don't know the name. I'll ask Mali Dada next time, the Monday when he comes. See how beautiful. I just saw it. So beautiful. See, everywhere, God's, creation is so beautiful. We just need to, I feel it's not the eyes, it's the mind's eye we need to open. And once we open our mind's eye, our heart's eye, our soul's eye, things become so beautiful around. It's all about embracing and loving the small so-called simple things. Because, with my own experiences, I had realized and come to a conclusion that it is the simplest of the things that gives us the most of the happinesses. And most of the time, sadly and ironically, people take them for granted, but I don't. So yeah, I live a very simple life. Today I have shared my fondness, my love towards my plants. And next time when more flowers comes in my lemon trees, we have big lemon trees, that time I'll share. So for today, bye for now. Take care. Love you all. Enjoy a cup of tea together. Thank you. Bye.